Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add animated headline in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're here, just go to the left corner and you're gonna see here animated headline. Take it. Oh, let me show you. And paste it, and voila, here you got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then you get like style. You can just like add rotating or highlight it. Say shape curly, underline is good, it looks like Amazon logo. And then you can like style here, you can change the headline color. Animated text can be also this one, and that's pretty much it. You can also change the HTML tag if you want to, it's really up to you, but this is how you do it, and this is how you add animated headline to Elementor. Thank you very much everybody, I hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya, goodbye.